Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mix the colors while you're doing with the fabric paint. So before going to show you how you can do it, please requesting the people who are seeing first time my channel, do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. So let's quickly start it. See here guys, we have generally having the sets of 6 colors and also the 10 colors of sets. So here I'll show you how you can mix the colors. Like, if you want more colors, more shades on the colors, then you have to mix the colors and you need to be find out, discover the new colors here. So like that, how you can do here, I'll show you one tip here. If we have the 10 colors here, right? So here these 10 colors you can mix with one and one color, and 1 to 3 colors you can mix it well, and you can discover the new colors here. That is very easy, that you can do it very easily. But only the thing, you need to identify the colors, which type of colors you require, like dark colors or light color shades, whatever the colors you want. On that way I can show you one fabric here to give you a little bit of glance about the colors. If you find out a multiple here, I'm showing you a different colors, like pink, green and black, somewhat sea green, like kind of colors are there in the fabric, right? So like that, every time the normal shades of the colors are very like very rare colors. It's a very natural colors. There are 6 colors are there. Apart from this, they have included 4 more colors, and they are selling this particular 10 color set. If you want the single color, you can also buy the whole bottle of that particular color, but sometimes it is not possible to us to find out for single design the whole bottle. It is not useful to us, right? So on that kind of thing, you can find out your own colors. Now I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, I'm just fixing the fabric here. I'll show you. See, whenever you want to prepare the colors, whenever you want to make the colors, that you should remember that always try to mix the colors in the light colors. First take the light colors, then try to mix the dark colors into that, and discover the shades. Like if I want to take the pink color, then what I'll do, I'll take the white color first, then I'll take the red color, so that little bit of adding the red color into white color, you will find out the different shades in your palette. Okay, so I'm also the same thing. If you are adding with the yellow color with red color, you will find out the orange color. Okay, so like that, only if you are seeing if you are mixing one color to another color, you will discover one another new color. That might be a shade like dark color or light color. Only thing, you should know what kind of color you are getting and what kind of mixing you want to do. Like if I have taken one tip of yellow color and one off tip of red color, then the dark color will come. Okay, dark orange, dark pink color, dark magenta color kind of thing will come. The same thing, yellow color and red color will be sunflower, white color and red color will be pink color shade. At the same time, green color and yellow color, if you mix it, that shade will become in different way. Okay, so if you want to discover the more colors, then you should know, and you should be waste the paint, not a problem. But okay, you are discovering a new color there. Okay, mixing of all colors also, you will get different color. Only thing, you should be happy, and you should be like while you are doing it, you should be feel happy that you are discovering new colors, new shades on the required using with the simple normal colors. Okay, why you need to do this is the basic thing. While you're doing in the fabric painting, sometimes we will use the background fabric will be in different colors. On that moment, you might be required a different colors, but while you are buying, there might be 6 colors or there might be 10 colors. Each and every time you cannot able to be do or you cannot afford that much of money to buy the colors, right? So that moment you can discover your new colors, so that they will like, you know, the new colors will be very useful to you. You also know that how much quantity you are mixing, so that it will be easy for you to do it again and again. Okay, so here I'm taking a little bit of colors here. I'll show you, and also show you how to practice it. Take the fabric here on the frame, and try to mix the colors, and keep that color with the brush on the fabric, and write down what you have done, so that you will get a proper color mixing guide on your hand. Okay, so see here how I have done this. I took white color and also the red color. I'll just mix it from the one corner. I'll get the shades. Okay, simply white color and red color I'm mixing it. You will find out different shades on the colors. After that I'll add one more color into this, so 3 colors will be added. Like this the probability you need to do, like 2 colors first, then again 3 colors, again 4 colors mixing. Like that you need to make the columns. See here, dark magenta color has came. Okay, so I'll show you after. See, on the palette color will be various. Once you keep on the fabric, color will be various. So just try to identify which color is that while you keep on the fabric. Okay, so it's a simple video, guys. I just want to show you how you can do this fabric color mixing. So hope you people have liked this video. Please give a like button, share it in your communities if you liked it, and also requesting the people who are seeing first time, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet you with the new video.